Welcome back to CIE Group. You join us at the Security Event 2025. I've been joined at the CIE Coffee Bar by Steve Greenaway from Third Millennium. Steve, welcome back. Lovely to have you on board. Of course, Third Millennium is a brand new product to the CIE range. Why is it so important? I think as we look around this show and we see products from around the world, one of the key components of the Third Millennium product is that it is UK design and manufacture. Now, that's great to have, but why is it important to many of our customers?
I think if you look at our traditional markets, Chris, we've traditionally been in high security applications in UK government, UK MOD, and indeed UK industry. So, companies like Airbus. And for many of the projects and applications that we have there, UK manufacture it's critical. It is expected, usually built in as part of the requirements in specification. And there are very few UK manufacturers of access control systems. And in fact, we are one of very few in terms of card readers, and one of very few who have the level of technology and high security that we carry within our product.
And I think that really is the key point, particularly in government-funded or government-owned projects. That UK requirement for products is needed, and it can be quite difficult to find. So to have you guys on board, and for all of our customers to have you within the portfolio, is going to make access to those kind of projects much easier.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think another thing to take into consideration is that the UK market has a very unique and specific set of requirements. And being a UK manufacturer, we can actually adapt to those requirements very quickly. And that is something that is important and quite unique.
If you want to find out more about the brand new Third Millennium access control range, or you want assistance specifying into these UK projects, click on the link below, or of course join us at ciegroup.com.